expression, kasama yan. And of course, in written communication, it also may involve the memory of the voice of the person writing. Do you agree? Yes. When you read someone's email, in your head, you're reading it with the person's voice in mind. Which means the more you know the person, the more you can interpret what exactly he or she was meaning. Yes? This is why it's very important if you're selling something to someone and you haven't been acquainted properly, make sure that they have heard your voice multiple times so that when they read your email, they have an idea what exactly was your emotion when you were typing that message. It's different when you don't know how the person speaks, right? When you're reading their email, you have a tendency to say, this person sounds snobbish. This person sounds like a bad person. But really, it's just how they write. But if you only knew how they spoke by looking at their memory, the memory of their voice, you will be understanding and say, this might sound snobbish for someone, but no, this is just really how Jonathan speaks. And he means well. So memory of voice is important for written